Hey everybody, so today I'll be doing a review on what I promise is a dog's toy. As you can tell, this ball has already had a lot of use. Ball's had a lot of beating, a huge beating, and surprisingly, it's actually still maintained its shape and its integrity. So, if you guys are wondering, I'm not going to hide it from you any longer. This is the Jolly Ball dog toy. You guys can just grab this for a pretty cheap price. It's a really good toy. You can get at a lot of toy stores. You can get online, things like that. So it's spelled Jollyball, 2 L's. And this specific one has this plastic ball that's on the outside that has these holes that I'm holding on to, and he has a smaller ball inside. Obviously, the dog can't get to this ball inside, which pretty much is what keeps the dogs entertained. I like Jolly Ball. I like the brand. I think that they have a lot of really good products. They're not. This specific one is pretty sturdy, but the other ones are not really. You can see right here. Oops. Grab that. See it right here inside. It's just like a small little plastic ball. I wouldn't recommend this for anybody that's a heavy chewer, but they do have other balls that are pretty good, especially if your dog is a dog that likes to play fetch a lot. So I'm gonna just like start off here. It has I don't know, about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 or 7 holes. Actually, about six holes on the outside. It is very resistant. I've had this ball ever since actually my dog was born, which is about 3 years ago. In terms of integrity, it's pretty strong. I'm just gonna drop it here for you guys. It has a pretty good bounce to it, and you can hear the ball. See, you guys already tell. See how useful this was. My dog already came. Sit, chicos. And he already pretty much, see, he's already ready to start playing with it. This has been one of the only toys that has lasted his entire lifetime, and you could tell he's gotten some good work on this. I haven't had any toy that has lasted this long. It's been pretty strong here. I mean, even if you could see here, the visible scratch marks, actually the bite marks, they've held up really well. What he likes to do a lot of times, he likes to actually play tug of war. If I hold on to it and he hold his teeth on here on the side. One word of caution, if your dog does like to do that, just be careful of their gums, because the teeth will slide in between here and their gums will actually kind of go in here and you can actually cut them. So I don't recommend it too much. My dog is fine with it because we kind of play a little, just a little bit until he kind of gets tired or I just stop him. But you could definitely play a little bit of tug of war with that. Other than that, it's made out of really strong plastic. I wish I knew what plastic this was. This would be great for other dog toys to be made out of the same plastic. It's not too bad. It's like about like a 4 inches. It's about like 4 inches, no, 5 inches in diameter, I guess. Not anything too that long, too big. It's just right. I feel like a lot of times when the balls are too small, dogs get uninterested in it. But when they're a little bigger, again, dogs are not that interested in it. My dog specifically likes this size. It's a good size for him to run, play fetch. You can even kick this thing. I've kicked this thing plenty of times. I haven't stepped on it yet, so I'm not exactly sure how that will hold up. I wouldn't recommend stepping on it, obviously. Here's where the logo is, where it's just completely gone. This is red, and I believe it comes in several other colors. I haven't seen the other colors. It just comes in this nice red, which is a nice bright red. Unlike other toys, you can't exactly put any other treats in here, but I guess that's not the function of it. Pretty much its main function is just to be a little throw toy. My dog does like to chew on it, as you can tell. It's pretty dog resistant, actually. I've had other toys, I've had other Kong toys and things like that have not lasted as long as this. This has. You can tell he's kind of cut it up in several places. And you can see, like right there. This plastic, I can't even tell actually what the seams are. It should be like right here. These have stayed on pretty strong, and I'm actually surprised. A lot of times I've noticed toys that have these seams on here, especially if they're plastic, they will start to tear apart. This hasn't. You could actually see here real close. Hasn't actually had any issues with it. Even on the inside, actually, it's not. Yeah, see, you can't. Actually, the inside, yeah, there's the inside. I don't know, again, what it's made out of. It's a great plastic, but it hasn't come apart. Jolly Balls, always a good brand. I believe that they're made in the US. So that's always, but again, don't quote me on that, but I think it is made in the US. Whatever it is, the products that it's made of our safety dog. My dog has had this, like I said earlier, pretty much for 3 years now. Has never had any issues with it. And he's actually still waiting for it, so I'm gonna wrap this up for you guys in just a little bit. But yeah, if you look at it here, it's a great ball, great little product here. It's got a pretty good bounce to it, so you can use it that way. One word of caution, like I always try to caution everybody whenever there are heavier toys that have a bounce to them, especially a ball. Just be careful with it. It can break a window. I haven't tried, but I wouldn't recommend anyone else try it either. Okay, so it does have a good bounce to it. Just make sure, obviously, you're in an open area. It will bounce, obviously, on the ground. In the grass, obviously, it won't. So before I make my dog wait here a little bit longer, just gonna wrap this up for you guys. So once again, this is the Jolly Ball, and it's gonna have, when you search for that, it's actually gonna have a lot of search terms. So just kind of look for the one that just looks like this, that has a smaller ball inside. All right, thanks so much. Have a good one.